Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a short lip swatch video. I ordered some of the Colourpop nude, mostly nude lipsticks. There's a few like pinker ones in there. I ordered 5 of them, so I'm just going to be doing a quick swatch review. These are the new Lux lipsticks. They're $7 each, and I'm just going to go ahead and swatch them on my lips. They may look similar in color, but they're completely different in undertone and stuff. So let's see how they look on my lips. Pinkies Up is the first one. The next one is Layover. The next one is called Still Crazy. Next one is Uno Mas. And last one is Sitting Pretty. So I just did the swatches of all the Lux lipsticks that I bought. I bought 5 of them. Most of them were nudes. 2 of them had a little bit more pink in it. I love the formula. It's so moisturizing, but taking them off, I don't know how people do lip swatches because I couldn't do more than 5. My lips are so drying right now, but thankfully, like every time I applied the lipstick, it put back moisture on my lips. Every time I took it off, it dried out my lips. So like if you see it coming off on these sides, that's probably because it's so dry there that it doesn't want to stick to it. But I love the formula. It's $7. It's amazing. I would totally recommend buying it. And let me know if you want more videos like this. This is a very quick and easy one. Make sure you're subscribed, that you like this video, and you turn on your post notifications because apparently YouTube is only showing highlights of people's subscriptions and not every single video. So make sure you have your post notifications on, and thank you guys so much for watching.